Hey parents out there, if you're like me, you want fast, healthy, and nutritious snacks for your kids. So I'm gonna show you one of our favorite ones. And my daughter will be our little taste tester and will be helping me out today. So you will need Natural Delight's Medjool dates. Pitted is way easier to work with, some celery, and some peanut butter. So basically this is ants on a log, but with the Natural Delight's dates because they are higher in fiber than typical raisins. First, cut your celery like this, add peanut butter to the center, and then take your Natural Delight's Medjool dates and give them a good chop. Then add them to the top of your peanut butter celery sticks. And there you have it, a fast, easy, and nutritious snacks for your kiddo. All right, here, let's see what you think. How is it? You can find Natural Delight's dates at your local store or order them online. Go check them out.